at 7 Cameron 109. One bedroom, one bathroom with a large outdoor patio. Tons of natural light, hardwood flooring, big open kitchen with a nice sized breakfast bar, lots of cabinets, all the appliances, dishwashers right there. Little hallway off of the kitchen with utility closets as well as the washer and dryer. Bathroom here is huge with tons of storage space. The shower is separate over here, and then you get a nice big towel or storage area. Another closet here. Sink area with cabinets. Nice big bedroom, bright as well. Walking back out to the living area. And the patio, which is enclosed.